Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Instagram error when trying to change your profile picture. Whenever you're receiving this kind of an error message while trying to change your profile picture and you don't know how to get around this situation, then you've landed in the right place. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you ever receive this kind of an error message, that means you are unable to update your profile picture on Instagram at the moment. Many Instagram faces this issue and it might be pretty much upsetting. However, we have a workaround in order to solve the error, so let's jump in. The first thing to be sure while changing your profile picture is that you have a strong internet connection on the device you're working with. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data or vice versa, and once you are connected, go to your Instagram and try changing your profile picture. If you're still not being able to do that, then you can try opening up a web browser and simply go to Instagram.com, sign into your account from there. And now, try changing your profile picture on your web browser. Once you've changed your profile picture from the web version of Instagram, go back to the Instagram application and try refreshing your home page. After a few seconds, you'll be able to see that your Instagram profile picture has been changed. If that still doesn't fix your issue, the next thing to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Instagram into the search box, and see if there are any updates available for your Instagram application. Sometimes, just because you are using your outdated version of Instagram, you might not be able to update your profile on your Instagram. So make sure to stay updated to the latest version of Instagram in order to operate smooth and get advantages of all Instagram benefits. If that still does not fix your issue, the next thing to do is to simply go to your settings, tap it on, and from the settings menu, tap on Apps. From the list of all the applications on the device, tap on Instagram. From the app info page, tap on Force Tab at the bottom right corner. In the pop-up that appears, tap on OK. From the same page, go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and now tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. After clearing the data, the application's data will be deleted permanently. It includes all of your files, settings, accounts, and databases. Tap on OK. When you do this, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Instagram using your credentials, since all of the data on your Instagram app has been cleared out. Tap open your Instagram and now go to your profile and try updating your profile picture. After you do that, you should be able to change your profile picture without any kind of a delay on Instagram. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you're having an error while trying to change your profile picture. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.